Imagine your brand working online while you live your real life, present with your family, serving clients at the highest level. Last week, while this photo shoot was happening, I was home with my people and my purpose, because your brand should keep showing up even when you step back. That's why I created the branding twin icon inside of Conquerpreneur Academy. Inside, you're going to learn how to build messaging that moves while you rest, lead, and actually live. Your marketing gains momentum, your message multiplies and magnifies, and you monetize with meaning instead of burnout. It's not a replacement of you, it's just a reflection. While your brand lives online, you can live your real life. Do you want to know more? Do you want to know how? Comment me and I'll see you at our December 6th free Monetize Your Message workshop. See you soon.